guys, so today I'm going to tell you about the top 4 best places to sail for beginners and why. Let's get straight onto it.
Croatia is an excellent place to start chartering a sailing yacht. The numerous islands provide natural cover from the open seas. The waves are not exceptionally high, navigation is straightforward, and the waters are clean and warm. The breezes are ideal for sailing, reliable and powerful enough, but not excessively. There are huge several marinas or well-protected secret bays, so finding a spot and mooring your boat isn't too tricky. Greece. You're new to sailing, the Ionian Islands are a perfect place to start. There are short or long sails, it's easy to anchor or moor to a town quay, and there are many other beginners and salty sea dogs there to share stories with. The British Virgin Islands is renowned for its ideal sailing conditions. The islands form a natural barrier that calms the sea, creating a sailor's dream with flat waters and steady trade winds. This unique geographical formation allows for exhilarating sailing in a serene environment, a balance hard to find anywhere else. Last but definitely not least, Turkey. Turkey's Mediterranean coast is typically sheltered from strong winds by mountains with coniferous forests, which generally means sailing conditions are favorable. Due to this natural relief, there are no strong winds, sudden changes in temperature, and torrential currents. But there are many quiet, picturesque bays, amazingly beautiful beaches, and predictable sea around.
That's it, everyone. Those are the 4 best places to sail for beginners. Let us know if you've sailed in these places in the comments. And don't forget to check out our website at compareyachtcharters.com. Bye!